Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to take a look at how we can go about downloading and installing the latest edition of Oracle's VirtualBox. I have provided a link for the download location for VirtualBox in the lab file, but you can also get to the download location for VirtualBox by opening up any search engine, and in the search bar, just type in Download VirtualBox. You're going to go to the Oracle VirtualBox site. That's a Wikipedia site. You'll see it here. Just click on Downloads. Now I'm using a Windows host, so I'm going to download the Windows host. Now you're also going to need to download the extension pack, so keep that in mind. Once VirtualBox has downloaded, go ahead and find it in your download location. Go ahead and just double click the installer. Once the installer starts up, just go ahead and click Next. Accept the license agreement. Click Next. Go ahead and click Next. Leave everything as a default. And go ahead and click Yes. You're going to click Yes one more time. This is installing dependencies. You must have the dependencies to include the VirtualBox network adapter. So make sure you accept those downloads. Go ahead and leave everything as you see it here on the screen and click Next. And finally, click the Install button. Once the installation has completed, go ahead and click Finish. You can go ahead at this time and you can launch VirtualBox or uncheck the box to not launch it. Click Finish. Here you can choose your interface type. I'm going to go ahead and choose Expert. We next need to download and install the VirtualBox extension pack. Now to do this, I'm just going to minimize my VirtualBox management interface. I'm going to return to the download page for VirtualBox, and over next to where I downloaded the installation package for VirtualBox, I'm going to go ahead and accept and download the VirtualBox extension pack. Now once the download for the VirtualBox extension pack has completed, all I have to do is just double click it. And it's going to give me the option to install the extension pack, which I will do at this time. When the VirtualBox extension pack license agreement pops up, just scroll to the bottom, and now you can click on the I agree button. Another way we could have installed the extension pack is by clicking on the button here over on the left hand side menu that says Extensions. Open that up and you'll see that you currently have a Oracle VirtualBox extension pack installed, and over here to the right you can check on the version. So we could have also downloaded the installation package and scrolled on over to it using this option right here for the installation of the extension pack. And so that concludes this short video demonstration on how we go about downloading and installing Oracle's VirtualBox. If you got any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor. I'm Professor K. Thanks for watching.